Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Muhammad Zulhilmi. I make this video is for my public speaking subject project, and this video related to Sir Zulkhairi. I hope you all will enjoy watching my video. My topic for this video is Manchester United home kits color histories and the greatest achievements. First of all, let me give simple introduction about Manchester United Football Club. Manchester United Football Club is a professional football club that based in Old Trafford, Greatest Manchester, England. Old Trafford is a home stadium for this club, and the capacity of this stadium is 74,879 people. This club competes in the English Premier League, or we call it EPL, nicknamed the Red Devils. For your information, before this club is called as Manchester United, it is called as Newton Heath LYR Football Club. But why? It is because the team was formed by the carriage and wagon department of the Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway in 1878. Maybe 2 or 3 seasons before 1902, the club name was changed to Newton Heath Club Football Club. They get the LYR from the club name because of some issues. Manchester United fans of course know that the famous manager in Manchester United story is Alex Ferguson, but who is the first manager of this club? James Ernest Mangel. Okay, he is the first man that managed Manchester United Football Club after the team was officially born on 24 April 1902. As we all know, the current manager for this club from 2018 until now is Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. If I am not mistaken, this club has changed their home kits in 19 times. 6 times during the club name is Newton Heath LYR Football Club, and 13 times as Manchester United Football Club. In 1879 until 1880, the players were white and blue coat. 1880 until 1887, they were half yellow and half green shirt with white short and black socks. 1887 until 1893, they were red and white quartered jerseys and navy blue knickerbockers. In 1893 and until 1894, they changed to green and gold jerseys that is inspirational from the carriage and wagon department of the Lancashire and Yorkshire Railway shirt. After the name change in 1902, the club kits was changed to red shirt, white short and black socks, which has become the standard Manchester United home kit. There were those kits in 1902 until 1920, 1901 until 1922, 1927 until 1934, 1934 until 1960, 1971 until 2018, and 2018 until present. For this kit, they were in 1920 until 1921 and 1963 until 1971. In 1922 until 1927, they changed their kits with white shirts bearing a deep red V around their neck. For a period in 1934, the cherry white hoop change shirt become the home color. After that, they used this kit from 2018 until 2019. The last one is this kit that they were in 1960 until 1963, 1997 until 2018, 2019 until now. Okay, now let's move to the best part, that is about the great achievement that Manchester United Football Club has made. This club has won more trophies than any other club in EPL or English Premier League. Let's see what the trophies that the club has won. First, 20 league titles, 12 FA Cups, 5 League Cups, 3 UEFA Champions League, 1 UEFA Europe League, 1 UEFA Cup Winners' Cup, 1 UEFA Super Cup, 1 Intercontinental Cup, 1 FIFA Club World Cup, and the club record 21 FA Community Shields. In 1998 until 1999, the club became the first in the history of English football to achieve the Continental European treble. For your information, treble in association football is achieved when a club team wins 3 trophies in a single season. In 1968, under the management of Matt Busby, Manchester United became the first English football club to win the European Cup. And lastly, Sir Alex Ferguson won 38 trophies as manager, including 13 Premier League titles, 5 FA Cups, and 2 UEFA Champions League between 1986 and 2013. Okay, that's all about the great achievement that Manchester United has reached. For the addition information, is the saddest moment in Manchester United history. That is the 1958 Munich air disaster claimed the lives of 8 Manchester United players. Let me tell you a little bit. The Munich air disaster occurred on 6 February 1958 when British European Airways Flight 609 crashed on its third attempt to take off from a slush-covered runway at Munich Rim Airport, West Germany. So that's the saddest story in Manchester United Football Club history. Okay, I think that's all from me, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope you all enjoy it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and bye bye.